Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to watch how to use the connector description option in Revit MEP. So we are seeing a series of tutorials about Revits. Do subscribe and learn with BIMmodeler.com. And here is the example. I have a mechanical equipment which is a VAV unit here, and I can click on the any connector and it automatically creates the duct or pipe related tools for us. What if I select the connector here, it will ask you a dialog box. Have you seen this dialog box before? So if there are multiple connectors one below the other, this dialog box appears. But the problem is that when you connect and see it, there are multiple reasons that written and supplied descriptions are there, and if you have any confusions, there is a connector description in the connector inside the family. There is a two uses for this connector description. In the property, you have a connector description. There are two uses. One, the similar case that I have shown you. The another important function of this thing is that when you connect or when you convert some of the Revit families to the civil software, which could be a civil 3D, the connector name becomes this description. So you have to assign this description like refrigerant input in, and the other one is refrigerant out. So like this, you can name them, and the same name will be reflected. If it is a utility, you can use that in the civil related softwares. We can load this into an IFC export also. It will be useful, and override the existing version. Now when you click this option, and you'll have two different options, and you can scroll and you can see that whatever the description that we are applying, it will be shown in this place directly. So it could be any description, duct or anything. When the family have a underlying connectors, it could be duct connectors also. So you will have a confusion what is it for, or if you have a multiple pipe connections like 5 connectors, you will get confused which connector we are trying to connect. So in that case, this will be very useful in Revit. At the same time, the same description will be used as the name for the connector in the other softwares when you are exporting that to the other software. I hope this small tips helped you. This is one of the user questions which just came across. And do let us know if you have any questions in the Revit families or Revit. We will explain it in a separate tutorial with your name. Thank you so much. We'll look forward to the other tutorials and see you on the next. And do follow me on LinkedIn. I have a LinkedIn follow link in the description or in the comment chat board. You can go ahead and click the link and follow me on LinkedIn. And see you. Bye-bye.